Okay, so we acid wash canisters. We had a big issue with wasted material, wasted motion, a lot of just waste. I set out to kind of solve that problem, so I come up with the acid washing station. It's portable. It saves the acid. You could actually reuse the acid once you've used it. It is reusable now. This is mobile. It's self-contained unit where you could just acid wash anywhere you need to. You don't necessarily have to take up a whole table that could be used for other jobs or other things to be done. It cut down on everything from wasted motion, wasted material, and I think it's a great idea. This is where we actually wash the canister with the acid. It's all, together. You got your grounded here, you run your current through it. It's all, one thing. So you wash here, you actually rinse here. Before we had a table full of different containers for this and for that. You had to have a clean washing area. You had to have a lot of different things going on in order to do the same job, which was a lot more. So we cut down on waste, we cut down on wasted motion, and we actually made it to where you can reuse a lot of the material.